Hello, I want to go over the kitchen that we recently done it in Aldi, Virginia. The kitchen wasn't look like this at all. The cooktop was in the island. Island has a weird shape. The refrigerator was on the back wall and microwave beside it. We moved the range to the wall that the refrigerator was. It is a 48-inch range and the hood on top of it. And we removed the pantry that they had and installed that pantry, pushing the range on the instead of it, and we had the wine cooler and the beverage center on the left side. Here where the refrigerator was, the big range came, 48-inch range, and hood on top with the pot filler, and we put on top of the island one tray ceiling with the light inside. The island is much bigger. We changed the window to the much bigger picture window, and we removed the double oven because they had a range with 2 ovens under it, and we put floating shelf. The backsplash is quartz, same as the countertop, and in the pantry was lots of plumbing. We moved all of that and we converted to this beautiful space that they can use it for all beverages and wines and alcohols. Thank you so much. This is it. Have a great one.